So earlier, Your Excellency, you spoke about the existing global challenges and opportunities for Industry 4.0. But can you now shed light, Your Excellency, on how is the Kingdom positioned to move forward with Industry 4.0?
Sure. I think Saudi Arabia has a lot of enablers and a lot of attractive points that can work for it. Not just the location, which we mentioned, where East meets West, also the access to energy. And here we talk about conventional energy, but also Saudi Arabia's leadership in clean energy moving forward. We have one of the largest projects in green hydrogen in NEOM, and we also have a lot of other projects that are in that direction. Cheapest wind, cheapest solar. Not only that, we also have access to solutions for carbon removal. We're not talking about shipping and whatnot, or just carbon credits and the regulatory environment. We're talking about actual physical proximity to the energy and actual physical proximity to removing the carbon that comes out of that energy. That creates the right kind of economics for a lot of projects that can be intensive in terms of 4IR and capital intensity, but also in terms of scale and size. We also have access to a young population, like their excellencies mentioned, and we have an opportunity to capture the demographic dividend properly, and the youth of Saudi Arabia can become a source of energy for fourth industrial revolution globally. I'd like to pivot a little bit to solutions maybe that can help this challenge globally. Maybe we talk about 5 that can happen in Saudi Arabia and abroad. 1, we need a competitive R&D ecosystem, which we're working on. 2, we need to invest in upskilling and reskilling talent, which also we're working on, and also especially as we have a very young population. 3, scaling up, and I think the Kingdom in its position, talking to the globe, the solution to the scale-up challenge can come from Saudi Arabia. As well as that, we have access to the collaboration with global entities. So these 5 items can help us truly, if we focus on it, address this challenge. And an example on collaboration is what we have on the data side between the Statistics Office and the Administrative Office, Data Office with Sadaya and Big Data. I think you're going to see a lot of great news about how collaboration can yield really impressive and cutting-edge solutions and as well as enablers at the same time.